It's Andrew with AnglrBangle. I'm going to run down to the creek and see if I can catch something with an AnglrBangle setup. Just a cane pole. I know that there's some bamboo poles down there, so I'm going to cut one down and just get the line out, put it on there. Simple. Hook, line, sinker, bobber. I did pick up some worms, so that's what I'm going to use today. See if I can catch anything. I'm going to get there. I'll see y'all when I do. Okay, I made it down here to Beaver Creek, and here is a bamboo forest over here. There's a bunny. So, just gonna take a piece of this bamboo right here, make a little cane pole, and do a little live worm fishing. All right, caught this first little guy right here. There's a bunch of leaves that have fallen from the trees, so fish are just right up under these leaves. So, fish number one in the book. I took the sinker off. Number two, same worm, right here under this little log jam. Let's get back at it. Just caught this pretty nice size one right here. Come here, dude. Yeah. All right, I am out of here. Used a AnglrBangle setup with a hook, bobber, and line. Did not even use the sinker. I took it off bamboo pole and caught about 10 fish on 3 worms. So it was a good day. It was a fun day. You could see how difficult it would be fishing a jig in a creek full of leaves. So you can drop that worm in between the leaves and the fish will bite it. I got to go home and make some chicken wings. Just haven't decided if I'm going to wash my hands first. See y'all. Play ball. I love that they still play the national anthem. There we go.